guys, welcome to the channel. Not in cooking video and not in vlog at all, just in magical video. Yeah, just a magical video. Actually, disclaimer, this not in sponsoring at all. Me just wanted to show you something which I got an order in. Just let me hit in my personal details and let me show you that, guys. I got a 9 things, okay, in just rupees 199. Yeah, guys, in just rupees 199 I got a 9 things. It means a lot. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to show you, if you wanted to grab this tea, just go in the description box, click on the given link and grab your deals. So guys, first, as me open the box, first I got in this. Actually, this is the makeup clutch, which is from Simitin. Okay, let me open it. Oh yeah, this is the clutch. Guys, I literally love this. See the detailing. Keep it aside. Now, these all are the products which I got in just rupees 199. This clutch, makeup box, and this is a face mask sheet, facial sheet mask, which individuals cost rupees 89. Look at this, 89, this individual cost. Okay, and after that, here I have this charcoal face mask, thin-one mud mask. It cost for rupees 233. You heard it, guys. But I just got in just rupees 199. These all things in the offer. And this is a Optum face mask from Mamaearth. This one is a hydrated cream from Ayurveda. I just loving it, guys, totally. And this is an onion hair mask from Mamaearth again. And this is the game changer, guys. This is a game changer. I literally love this one. This is Moonflower all the moisturizing cream. This is everything we all wanted in our life. Seriously. And this one is a body polishing oil. I didn't use it, but I got a reviews about it. This is, look at this, it having a coffee bean inside this. This is a coffee bean. So guys, this is a deal. Have you imagined it? Me got these all things in just rupees 199. Do you want this? Before any further ado, just go into a description box and maybe maybe on the screen it decides if it available. I will give in there, but in the description box you definitely find this, and this is a game changer, guys. In this box it is come. If needed, then I just give in a code too. If needed, then apply that code for a more order offer. Let me tell you guys, by clicking that link you can buy 6 things only. Okay, so first 6 thing on your first order in just rupees 199. Many of the people having a problem that how to use that app. Don't take care, don't take tension until I am here. Just going to show you all, guys, this. Me brought the first 6 things is this: 2 sheet marks, 3 these, and 1 this. 4, 5, 6. 6 things is just this, and these 3 things are in the offer, guys. It's just crazy now. Yeah, these 3 things are in just offer, so you can just grab your offer. There are many of the offers there at this app. You just grab your offer according to your need. They also having just only one clutch offer, or one Optum mask offer, or with these two that I took, or perfume ones too. Just totally depends on to you which type of offer you want to take this. Just grab it all, guys. It is only possible to grab all these things in just 199 by clicking on my link, guys. It's only possible then only. Otherwise, God knows. Guys, I personally recommend you this. Yeah, disclaimer, guys, disclaimer. Yeah, I know it's too late, but disclaimer. Disclaimer is this: no one sponsoring me for this video. I didn't get money. No one sponsored me, man. A sad reality. Yeah, whatever. Just to help you all, guys. Just to help you. Just want my audience to get this offer. Apply, just go from my link, and if needed then apply a code too. Otherwise, by just clicking on the link, the link open into your Play Store or Apple Store, just go and order your first order. That's it for this time. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget thumbs up, and go check out the description box. There are many huge trial packs are on the upcoming. Just go and grab this. Till then, bye bye guys. See you. Hope you like this video, and meet you in the next video. Bye.